This 2021 Coachmen Spirit Ultra Lite 2659BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 31 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, microwave, slide-out, refrigerator, leveling jacks, oven, skylight, TV, air conditioning, stovetop burner, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Spirit Ultra Lite 2659BH is 6,218 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.